Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to this channel. Is your special girl Be Joy special. This is me in the market. I was trying to buy fish. Fish carry me enter market that day. I say make I vlog small, make I do market video small. Like Rosemary and Co, wey dey always go inside market, the video like Chika Judith. I really choke. Oh, he really choke that very day. Like, how do you guys do this thing? They wanted to chop me raw for market that very day. I'm dedicating this short market vlog clip to all the market vloggers. This short clip is dedicated to you guys. Like, you know, easy, oh. Like, you know, easy. Vlogging in the market is not for the weak. If you don't get the energy, you know fit do. My sister, you know fit do am.
Few moments later.
So guys, I am done and I'm back from the market, okay? So we're going to be hosting some people in the house and we're going to be making delicious mouth-watering oha soup for them, okay? So this is me trying to bring out everything that I bought from the market. You can see that fresh oha leaf, uziza leaf and white garden egg, okay? You can see crayfish. This is crayfish that I'll be using. I'm going to be using my mortar to do justice to it. You can see the stock fish and other stuff that I bought for the mating. Dry pepper. We have cocoyam. Remember I said we are going to be making cocoyam soup tomorrow. We are hosting some people here tomorrow. So this is the chief ingredients, cocoyam. This is okazi. I'm going to be showing you combination of oha and okazi. Very sweet and very yummy. This is okazi leaf. Onions. And the chief master, chief of the day. This is fufu. This is the meat that we are going to be using. Oh my God. We have some cow skin and we have beef. This is the cow skin and the beef. Oh my God. 5,000. Mangala fish here. I think I bought this fish for 6,000 naira. Yes, I bought it 6,000 naira. So I'm going to wash the meat. Make sure you add salt if you are washing the meat. I'm going to wash it properly. I'm recording this video. Let me check the time. I think this is 8 p.m. Life of a content creator. Yes, we must create content to entertain you. Don't forget to give this video a huge and massive thumbs up. Okay? This is the drink that we're going to use to entertain the people that are coming here. I think we have 2 crates of beer. Then we have 2 packets of bottled water. Malt is on the way coming. For me, what I'm going to take is yogurt. Whether I like it or not, he's going to buy yogurt for me. I've been craving for yogurt.
Much later. Much later. Much.
Cocoyam soup. So this is the cocoyam. We'll go ahead and add water into the cocoyam and wash it properly before cooking it. Like I said, we are hosting some people here today, and what we are going to be preparing for them is cocoyam soup. So we're going to wash it properly. After washing, then we'll cook it. The oha leaf that we are going to be using, I will go ahead and do justice to it. This is original oha leaf and uziza leaf. So you can see the way I'm doing it. Yes, sir. As one feel that I am. Make sure you do it. After doing it, make sure you wash with salt. I always like to wash whatever I'm washing, so long as that thing is edible. I love adding salt if I'm washing it. It helps a lot. You can see the way I'm doing it. Bring the camera closer. You can see. So I will continue. So guys, the cocoyam is ready. We are peeling it. After peeling it, we'll go ahead and pound it properly. Boy, say hi guys.
Hi guys.
Say hi guys. This is the mangler fish that I will be using. I'll go ahead to add hot water into it. I'm going to wash it with hot water. This is the cocoyam. As you can see, we are pounding the cocoyam. This is Edanambra. You know Edanambra, so we are using Edanambra for this cocoyam soup. I've been cooking this meat for 20 minutes now. I'll start adding the stockfish into it. Make sure you spice the seasoning cube and your salt. If you want onions, you can add in onions. The stockfish, you go ahead and add in the stockfish. Add in the stockfish. I will add some water because I'm going to add in the cocoyam. A quick stir and allow it to cook before I start adding the cocoyam. Red oil. Make sure you don't add plenty oil, okay? Start dissolving. I'll go ahead and add the cocoyam so that everything after that you cover and allow it to cook. Now, you can see what we have here. Cocoyam is many small to dissolve, okay? So here is the mangler fish. I'll go ahead to add it.
Bring it down.
I didn't want it to scatter, that's why I didn't add it initially. Stir it. Don't stir too much so that it will not scatter. Allow the cocoyam to dissolve. Cover it. So guys, you can see cocoyam have dissolved and the soup is ready. At this point, you can go ahead and add vegetable of your choice. We're going to be using oha leaf and okazi leaf for this, but I'm not going to add the leaf now because we are still waiting for our guests. Once they are ready to eat it, I'll go ahead and add the vegetable into it, okay?